Hello guys, this is HY and you know exactly how to do it. So I have been doing this YouTube thing for a longer time now, and there's some small things I've realized doing this YouTube thing. You have a video idea, a nice video idea that you think say this video idea there, you can do it. And I say it's better. And you took your camera and also you took your time, do the video and do everything right with the video. I mean, your script was on point, your video was on point, your editing, everything, your thumbnail was good, and there are people that knows how to do good editing too. So you have your time, or you get time for the video, and you did this editing for I think 2-3 days, and yet when you upload it, it doesn't perform. And the funny thing about that thing is that one video be a why should I give it the time? Why should I edit it? Be a and I make a say be out talking point, and I saw scripts and the crowd was offline, and I said off beat too. Say musician because of off beat, and yes, still that video performs more than the video you took your time to do, and it seems like there is nothing you can do about that. It seems like things are out of your control. So I did some small research about that thing, because sometimes my videos be a me post to with me time my videos. You don't always get time. And yesterday be a time I create videos. So sometimes we take time off our busy time. Sometimes your video do you know me in a rush. So after doing that video or getting time, maybe getting the whole day free time, the whole day be will be any around the because most of the time I have my daughter here and so maybe there's no my daughter is not around, maybe my wife too is not around, so some that's free time to do this video and take my time, edit the video over 2-3 days, and still the video will not perform. Now I am say, okay, so should I do those rough kind of videos and just move on? But the more I will be designing video with thumbnails, yes, still you don't get the traction, and it seems like maybe there's something that you are doing wrong. And I say, nah, there's something wrong with your YouTube channel. And I say, well, account on Ankasalo, there's something wrong. Actually, after all the research I've done about this thing, I've realized there's no solution for it. There is nothing you can do about the YouTube and in the algorithm. No, there's nothing you can do about it. And you'll be answered a bit more fat, a bit too so fat. The only thing is consistency. In the research that I did, and they say you keep on posting your videos and hoping that one day or one time the YouTube algorithm will start catching up with your account and with your videos too. That's the only thing you can do. Probably maybe there is another thing you can do, which is on your side. Just give up. Just give up and go and do anything, something else, anything at all. So the Ghana action here. We can't afford to give up, because we did hear this YouTube thing. Yeah, we did hear this YouTube thing. So got money to date for inside, so we need the YouTube thing. We don't give up like that. So anyway, as a content creator, so when you face this problem, I think say on your way down the line, you come to face this problem, and make sure there's nothing you can do about it. So you just keep on doing and uploading new video, new content, praying that next time they catch it up. And there's this one small thing too about that. You can have maybe someone or a channel outperforming you, who say this particular channel, maybe a channel A and a channel B way. Nah, they are not doing anything special, because you know in your head that you can do better than this people. Because mission for channel, I know that these people are performing more than me, but yet still maybe the traffic they are getting on their YouTube channel is less. But me say, now for the kind of videos or more the two no. Video the potential of this channel blowing up no. Like the momentum now more videos or more the who's that be some videos when is this kind of person in videos now any video could but yes still me who be channel abukele videos nipa no the thumbnails nyaba pa the titles kwa basa bi na fi so the video no cramp no the sound ni bia nye but yes still some nipa nya views is bia. And the only thing I can say is that the person has been doing the YouTube for the longer time. And I say for the longest time. That's the only thing I can say. And they come back, I'm going to share older videos. Maybe now I realize almost they were not getting traction, sir. But with time, I'm getting traction. If you're a new content creator here on YouTube, just be ready to face this deal. Anyway, have the name is HY, you know exactly how to do it. You can still subscribe if you want. I did it.